Hello everyone, I'm Itapa. The computer just left the realm of normal shutdown an hour ago. Then after restarting, you'll find that the screen displays Invalid Partition Table, meaning the computer cannot boot due to an illegal partition table. Just saying this should have disappeared before it was even built. So how do we solve this problem? Okay, this topic will also have a solution. Press Ctrl-Alt-Delete altogether. Then reboot the computer. After rebooting, we need to enter its BIOS or C mode, which is the startup. The computer system comes with a system F2 line or delete line. Some computers use F2 and some use delete. Mine is like this. A computer like this is F2. So here we see, select this board sequence, which is one of them. Firstly, I need to focus on the hard drive here. Remove this disk and cancel out the others that are not needed. The most important thing here is this place. In terms of legacy, it means the hard drive's format must match this one to boot. If it doesn't match, then you can't boot. So change it to UEFI here. This voice is just right for a hard drive. This is my comment. Shift it up.
See here in our next program.
I'll write down how to see if it's possible to enter. This means 1. The usual reason might be that the key ran out of power or something, leading to the loss of previously stored items. Just reset it and you should be fine. Everyone rebooted the computer. Previously, it restarted into that error screen we mentioned. Additionally, identifying errors in the position table. Once this looks normal and you've entered the Windows interface, this is the solution to the problem. Thank you for watching.